Guess who come look for me at the Louvre yesterday? No, Idris Elbani wife Sabrina. Me say when he step in at the Louvre, you know, man, when he come down in the passage, which part me there right there, so come there in one special passage, you know, where none of the other painting them not there. Me say when he start walk down, you know, me see the bow legs them a come beef, baff, beef, baff, beef. Me say I nearly changed to Idris Lisa. But his wife Sabrina did the right side eye. Me like her still. Then when he reach up to me, hear me to me no, with the outer hand, so hear me to me no. Lisa, you're beautiful, but my wife Sabrina, she's more beautifuler. I say, hey boy, you know what kind of paint me, but Sabrina more beautifuler. She beautiful still, but me I say, you know if you compare the thing that way, then Sabrina she know. She said, oh, it just don't say that. Then she stretch out her hand for try to touch me. When she stretch out her hand for try to touch me, the owner for the museum, see? Lord, Mrs. Helen Powder House broke out because you're not supposed to touch none of the painting. Then because if you touch them, they have to use the specials, the invisible air water spray where you can't feel nasty, and that costs about $1 million per spray, especially for me, because me, I might think expensive bad. So the owner say, Mr. and Mrs. Elba, do not touch the paintings then, please. So she said, Sabrina said, sorry, sir. Me say, you want to see she dressed back. Then he just hold on to her hand and say, hey, don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it. But then guess what? You see the other two painting them down at the other side of the passageway. You them know? They want Luke. Luke always jealous of me, you know. No people always come here to look for me. Here, Luke. I'm also a great painting, you know. You can come down here. It's not that drastic. You can come. Then, may I pinch you tell you something? You see, last night, when they clean car, then clean the museum, when time is lock, you know. Then clean it, but they don't know, so me can't see. So yesterday, now, the lady will come out with the vacuum. She turn on the vacuum. But she never realized the water did dip on the ground. Then me said the lady turn on the vacuum and suck up the water in the vacuum. And the vacuum goes so crack. Mash up. Miss. Hey. Then now she said, oh gosh. And she lock up the vacuum and put it back and go her yard. Same time. This man, you know, the owner, Mr. for the museum, Mr. Watson, come and say, who mash up the vacuum? Hear Denise now. Oh, you know, it looked like it mashed up from last week. It's who could have really do that? No one say she will mash up the vacuum last night. Hey. Wagwan. Me get fi understand say, I know everybody can afford to come in at the Louvre, but look here. Me have a little link. You see, alright, you see down the road, if you look right side of the green shop, where there, like you have one hand cat outside, you have one French hand cat outside. Go there and ask for Mr. Mandelu. Tell him say Lisa send you. When you get to Mr. Mandelu, just say these two words. Annabella. So when you say Annabella, he will give you 70% discount for your ticket. I know this, so I stop yet, you know. After you get the 70% discounted ticket now, you have to look on the ticket and write B21. When you write it on it now, and you go at the entrance for the Louvre, you'll get in free. Not nobody say message, you know, but you'll get in free. And tell them say you want to come see Lisa. Contact to me, man.